Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the job work in order. So the job work is usually used either to delegate the job to the party or taken up a job for the party. So we can record all such transactions in our Tally Prime. So in this video we will discuss about the job work in order process, where the job is received from the job worker, which is called the principal manufacturer. So we will first maintain the job work in order. It is job work in order. So then the process continues with the material in and the manufacturing journal, where the manufacturing process occurs, and the output will be given by the material out, and the sales bill will be raised, and the money will be received from our customer. So from the basic configuration, we will discuss how to perform these operations in our Tally Prime. So I just enter into my, I will just create a new company. So here the main thing is we need to activate the cost tracking, which I have made it as yes. And as of now, I'm not activating the GST. I don't want it right now. So I've created the company, and we will first create the master data that is required to perform the job work in order process. So first we will create some ledgers. That is the principal manufacturer, or those whom the job is received from the for the job work. The prin, principal manufacturer. So it is he is nothing but the person whom the job is received for the job work. So I'm uh, maintaining the principal manufacturer is sundry creditor. Oh, sorry, it's a sundry debtor. Okay, I've created this. The sales account. Here the allow cost allocation, I just go to the yes. Similarly, I just created the purchase ledger. Here also I'm maintaining the allow components, allow the cost allocation components for stock item. I just make it S, and the sundry creditor. Okay, then okay, now I just go for stock item creation, where I just create the raw materials. This is my one of my raw material. So here also I just enable the cost tracking feature, and the second raw material. So our finished product will be a pen. Enable cost tracking, I just made it for yes. We will create now the finished product, that is pen. So here I need to maintain the bill of material. Let me name it as pen. The unit of manufacture 1. To manufacture 1 unit of pen, we need the component as one unit of body and cap, and one number of refill. So here also I just enable the cost tracking feature. So created the stock items. Now I just create the we will alter the voucher types. So there are, you can find the voucher type of material in and material out, where I need to make some configurations. So in my material in, I just want to make it as use for job work. I just go for yes, and use for job work in yes. So I just save it. Similarly, in our material out, just change it as yes, and here also I just change it as yes. And we will create the manufacturing journal voucher type. Which is under stock journal, and uses manufacturing journal. I just go for yes, and track additional costs for purchases. I just go for yes. So, and the important thing is the godown. So we have the default or the existing main location in our as a godown for our company, but I will create a new one for my customer. I just name it as debtor godown. So this is the godown. I am allocating this godown for my debtor, so that he can place his stock in my company premises. So I just use it as third party stock with this. I just go for yes in this scenario. Okay, I just come back, and now we can go for our process. The first process is job work in order. So we will create the job work in order. I just go to the voucher. So here in our click on other vouchers, we can see the job work in order here. I just uh, make the job work in order for our principal manufacturer, that is sundry debtor. So we are receiving the job from our sundry debtor. So we can make the duration of process, but I am just leaving as it is now. So the order we received from our sundry debtor is for the pen, the finished product pen, and in our so here I just go for the main location. We need one quantity of pen. So this is the order that is provided by the principal manufacturer. So you can see what are the components required for manufacturing the pen. It will be displayed here. So it shows it is pending to receive. So we have not yet purchased these quantities. So it shows like this. Okay. So I just give some uh, purchase rate for the material, and we will purchase these materials in this rate. So I just save this. So the total amount is 20 rupees. So the cost tracking, I just link the cost tracking number as 1. So we will save this job work in order. So when we see the report now, I just show the report. Job work reports. The order outstanding, we will find our outstanding order. The order is for the finished product pen. So you can also see in the job work in order book. So now we are going to purchase the required raw material. So I just go to the purchase. We will purchase it from our sundry creditor. Okay, I just changed the mode as item invoice. So I just purchased the required raw material. I just place it in our main location. One quantity I'm just purchasing for the predefined rate, that is 10. So this rate we have entered in our job work in order. The cost tracking has been enabled, and the second material, that is refill, I just place it in the main location. One quantity, the rate, same rate, the cost tracking. Okay, I have purchased the required raw material, and now I can go to the material in, that is this process. So I just go to the other voucher, material in. So it is also for our principal manufacturer. You can see the order number. It is a component receipt order. We are receiving the component for our job work in order. For this work in order, we are receiving the components. So that is defined by the material in. So I've linked the I'm going to make the component receipt order. I've linked it. So all the items has been displayed here. Uh, it is not the debtor godown, it is the main location.